Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet this half double crochet bucket hat. In my channel, I share crochet tutorials. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe. To begin, we need to make a magic ring, and this is how I make a magic ring. I take these two fingers, rub this yarn this way, take my crochet hook, pick this yarn, take off one finger, hold the yarn this way, then hold close to my crochet hook to take off the other finger, then hold below the crochet hook, chain one and fasten. So I have made a magic ring. To begin working, I'm going to chain one. This chain one will count as my first half double crochet. Yarn over in the magic ring, make the second half double crochet. To make half double crochet, when you have 3 loops, yarn over, draw through all. So I have made my second half double crochet, the chain one plus this half double crochet, those are 2, yarn over, make the third half double crochet, this is 3, make the fourth, make the fifth half double crochet. We have made 5, continue that way until you have 12. I have made 12 half double crochets, the chain one plus 11 half double crochets, those are 12. Then I'll pull this yarn to close the magic ring. You go through these 2 loops, the 2 loops between the chain one you made and the first half double crochet. You go through, take this loop to the back that way, so that we have an invisible seam. Then you are going to go through these 2 loops once more, draw up a loop and yarn over, draw through the 2. This will count as our first half double crochet. So in the same space, make another half double crochet to make them 2. Go to the next stitch, make 2 half double crochets, this is 1, make the second half double crochet, 2. So repeat making 2 half double crochets until the end. So I'm at the end of round 2. We are going to join the same way we joined round 1. We take this loop to the back, you go through these 2 loops once more, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2 loops. This will count as our first half double crochet. Again, make another half double crochet to make them 2. The next stitch, make only 1 half double crochet, and you are going to repeat the pattern until the end. Make 2 half double crochets in the next stitch, this is 1, make the second one, 2. After that, the next stitch, make only 1 half double crochet and repeat the pattern until the end. Round 3 is complete and I have ended with 1 half double crochet. We join, you go through these 2 loops, take this to the back, go through the same place, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2. That is how we will be joining, and this one will count as our first half double crochet. Make another half double crochet in the same stitch to make them 2. Then the next 2 stitches, you make 1 half double crochet into each one of them. So this is 1 half double crochet. Go to the next one, make 1 half double crochet and repeat the pattern until the end. The next you make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. This is one, the second one. The next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet into each one of them. This is one. Go to the next one, make 1 half double crochet and repeat the pattern until the end. 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. The next 2 stitches, 1 half double crochet into each one of them. Repeat until the end. I'm at the end of round 4 and this is what I have. Go through these 2 loops, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2. This counts as our first half double crochet. Make the second one in the same space to make them 2. The next 3 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each one of them. So this is 1. Go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. This is 2. Yarn over, go to the next space, make the third half double crochet and repeat the pattern. The next you make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. After that, the next 3 stitches, 1 half double crochet into each of them and repeat that pattern until the end. My row ended with 3 half double crochets. I'm going to join. Go through the same place where I joined, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2. This counts as our first half double crochet. Yarn over, go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Go to the next one, make 1 half double crochet and repeat the pattern until the end, making 1 half double crochet into every stitch across until the end. This is what I have at the end of round 6. We are going to begin round 7. Go through the same place, draw up a loop, yarn over, draw through the 2. This will count as our first half double crochet. Yarn over, make 1 half double crochet to make them 2. After that, the next 4 stitches, make 1 half double crochet into each one of them. This is 1. Go to the next stitch, make the second one 2. Go to the next stitch, make the third one. Go to the next stitch, make the fourth one. And repeat the pattern until the end. The next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. After that, the next 4 stitches, 1 half double crochet into each one of them. Repeat the pattern until the end. I'm at the end of round 7. We are going to begin round 8. Go through the same space, draw up a loop, in this round, make 1 half double crochet into every stitch across until the end. Make 1 half double crochet into every stitch across until the end. At the end of round 8, this is what I have. And I'm done making the round part of this hat. This measures 7.5 2 inches. I'm making this for an adult. This is how I calculated 7.2 inches. If you are using a thinner yarn than mine, you'll need to make more than 8 rounds for you to achieve the same diameter. So here is the pattern. Continue working. When you are done with the circular part, we continue to the next part. So the circular part is complete. I'm joining to begin the next round, and I'm going to work the beanie part of this bucket hat. From this round, this is round 9, you are going to make 1/2 double crochet into every stitch across from round 9 to round 14. Those are 6 rounds. And I'm marking the beginning of the beanie part of this bucket hat. So continue to row 14. Then before you proceed, before you go further, I discovered some technique which I would like to share with you. If you observe this bucket hat, there are no visible seams from the outside, but if you look from the inside, there is this visible seam. If you would like to make it seamless from both the inside and the outside, this is what you are going to do. You go through these loops the same way we were doing, then take this loop to the back, but make it longer before taking it to the back. This way, take your crochet hook, go below the loop you just took to the back. This loop you took to the back, go below it, this way. Hook the loop you have taken at the back. Now you have 3 loops above your crochet hook. Yarn over, draw through all the loops that way. Then to begin working this round, you chain 1. The chain 1 will count as our first half double crochet. So you yarn over, go to the next stitch, make 1/2 double crochet, and make 1/2 double crochet into every stitch across. At the ends, that is how you'll be joining. If you want to avoid the seams on either sides. So I'm done making the 6 rounds of the beanie part, and this is what I have. It measures around 2.5 inches. For an adult, 2.5 to 3 inches, that is the right size. So we are done making the brim part of this beanie. I'm going to slip stitch across. The reason for slip stitching is to ensure that it does not stretch after wearing it for some time. To slip stitch, you go through the next stitch, make a slip stitch, and I'm going to mark this as the beginning of my slip stitch. Make sure you don't slip stitch too tightly. So after slip stitching across, you try it on your head to make sure that it is not too tight on your head. If it is too tight, consider redoing the round. It should not be too tight and not too loose. So slip stitch across, then I'll meet you at the end of the round. I'll remove this stitch marker and I'll make a slip stitch this way to finish. To begin the next round, I'm going to chain 1. This counts as my first half double crochet. Go through the same place where I made chain 1, make half double crochet to make them 2. After that, the next 2 stitches, make 1/2 double crochet into each of them. This is 1. Go to the next one and make another half double crochet and repeat the pattern. The next stitch, 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. The next 2 stitches, 1/2 double crochet into each one of them. Repeat until the end. At the end of the round, this is what I have. To begin the next round, I'll chain one. The chain one will count as my first half double crochet. So go to the next stitch, make one half double crochet, and we are going to make one half double crochet from this round. This is round 3 up to round 8. Those are 6 rounds. At the end, this is what I have at the round 8 of the brim. I have 2.6 inches. I'm done making this. I'll go through these 2 loops the same way we were joining. Take this loop to the back and cut this yarn. After cutting, I'll pull this loop to pull the loose end. Now there is only one loop. I'll use my darning needle, go through the previous 2 loops at the top this way to close off. Now it looks uniform. Then I'll secure my yarn from the inside of this bucket hat this way. Secure it the second time. Then I'll take this yarn through some few stitches and cut the excess yarn. Then I have one more loose end, this from the magic ring, so I'll use my needle to weave in this loose end by going through some stitches here. Then I'll cut the excess. Then I'll stretch around the brim all the way around, and that is it. This is the yarn that remained from one ball, so I used one ball of yarn.